Hi everyone, just here to do a little walkthrough of my little mini journal that I've been working on. So I did my first mini journal, which I've kept just for me, but I've done like a similar one to go onto my Etsy shop. So this is my little mini journal, and it's made from a little tea box, and so I'm just going to have a little flip through and show you what it's like. This it's not heavily decorated, and there's not loads of ephemera, but there is some vintage ephemera in here, and there is some kind of original ephemera that I've designed from digikits of my own, and I think there's some other people's digikits in here as well. But there's lots and lots of space for people to write in as well. So tried to make it a journal that would be for people to add to. So I'm just going to do a little flip through of what we've got. So we've just got a little pocket there with some bits and bobs in. All the paper is either from a vintage book or is handmade paper that I've done myself. So as you can see, I've left plenty of pages blank with lots of room. Just little bits of ephemera. This is like a little tea card. This is a little calling card that I did the digikit for myself. Just got a few little bits of collage in there, just to sort of make it interesting. A little bit of stamping, some other little bits of ephemera. So I've got little dry glue on my fingers. It's got a really cute little key charm there. Little pouches with little tags and other little bits and bobs in there. This has got 3 signatures, so plenty of room. Excuse the noise outside. I love the texture of the tracing paper. So there we go. I haven't showed you absolutely everything because obviously I want to keep a few little secrets in there for whoever decides to buy this little journal. It will be up, actually I think it's already up on my YouTube, on my Etsy store, and I'll put the link for that down below. But it's just a little flip through just to show you how what I'm putting on my Etsy store really, and just to show you what I'm making at the moment. So that is my little pink journal. I'm in the process at the moment of making a lilac one and a turquoise one. So those will be my next little projects that I'm working on. I'm also working on a big journal at the moment, doing bits and bobs to that, and I'm kind of dotting about between journal to journal to journal to journal. So yeah, lots and lots going on. Thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you like watching this sort of thing. I'm going to put some more how-tos up and in shortly, probably over the next couple of weeks, just making different bits and bobs. Yeah, if you wouldn't mind sort of sharing, it really helps the channel to grow. And also, if you wouldn't mind popping along to my Etsy store, if you're not interested in buying anything, that is absolutely fine. But if you could just favourite my shop or give it a like, or heart one of the items, that really helps my shop to get seen. And it's actually quite hard to get started with Etsy. So anybody that could do that for me, I'd be really, really grateful. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.